Hi everyone, let's learn how to make a bootable USB drive without a third-party software using disk management. Go to the Windows search bar and type partitions. Click on the Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Notice the Disk Management tab appears. Then locate the USB drive, right-click on it and click on Format. Change the file system format to NTFS and notice the box is checked for quick format. Click OK and wait while Windows is formatting the USB drive. This might take a little longer. Once this is done, right click and mark partition as active. Notice the drive is showing active, so let's locate where the Windows 10 files are. We copy the Windows files and locate where the drive is to paste. This might take a little longer. Once Windows is done copying, we'll eject the drive. And then we'll reinsert the drive. Notice the Windows setup icon. You know you've successfully made the flash drive bootable without using a software. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please like and subscribe.